Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get back of the don't recommend channel once you click on that of your all channels. Click on your account, click on the Google accounts, and once your Google account was open here you just need to click on the data and privacy. So now from here you just need to scroll down and you will see the my activity in the history settings. So you just need to click on that. Now here on the left hand side you will see the other activity on the second option. So you can just click on that. So now guys, from here in the activity controls you just need to scroll down and look for the option of the YouTube not interested feedback like this. Here you can see the YouTube not interested feedback. This will remove all of your recommendation once you and undo your recommendation. Just click on the delete. Here you can see this will delete your not interested feedback and may result in YouTube suggesting videos you are previously marked and not interested. Just click on the delete and your problem is fixed. Guys, this is how you can fix the don't recommend channel or undo your channel's back. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.